Hello there, YouTube. Today I will teach you how to make a counter, how to use a counter with JK flip-flops. So, this is a counter example. It comes from 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, where it's like this: 1, 0, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So if we get our normal truth table, if we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Well, before we do that, let's say what it actually wants us to do. So we have 0, 1. This is something else. Let me just write it over here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, no 8. It's 0 through 7. We only have that's 8 by themselves if we count them. So it's saying that when we're at 0, we go to 4. When we're at 4, we go to 3. When we're at 3, we go to 2. When we're at 2, we go to 1. When we're at 1, we go to 0. And we don't care about this, we don't care about this, we don't care about this. So we do the same thing over here. We go like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so we have our A, B, and C. We could just delete this since we have the rest of these. And let's just shift these over. Excellent. So we have QA, QB, QC. So from there, we would have to make our stuff. So like this would be our A, B, and C, and this would be QA, QB, QC. So we have, when we're at 0, we go 1, 0, 0. When we are at 1, we go to 0, 0, 0. When we are at 2, we go to 0, 0, 1. When we are at 3, we go to 0, 1, 0. When we are at 4, we go 1, nope, 0, 1, 1. We are at 5, we have X, 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 X. Let me just make sure I did this right. Seems about right. Okay, so let's delete these since we have that. And let's shift these over. Whoops. Damn it. There we go. We could delete these. That was repeated. And we don't need these either. Okay, very good. So here we could make our, I guess, first JK flip-flop, and then we'll move down or add some columns. So we have JA, JB, KA, and then we have JB and KB, and then we'll need 2 more columns. But for now, let's do this. So we look at this for JA, we look at this, J and K, and this. So 0, 1, we look at truth table. We could just look this up online. You go like 0, 1. 0, 1 is 1x. 1 and x. 0, 0 is 0x. 0, whoops, x. And then you have, let me just highlight those just so I can see them. Then we have 0, 0, we have 0x, 0, 0, 0x, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0 is x1, and then 1x. These are just going to be x's for all of them. Whoops. Okay, so let's do these two. we have, let's de-highlight that. Also this. We look at this and that for JB and KB. So we have 0, 0, we know that's 0x. And then we look at 0, 0, we have 0 and x, we have 1 and 0, x1, we have 1 and 1, that's x0, x0, and 0, 1, that's 1 and x, 1 and x. So we have these four. We need the JC and KB, and KC, whoops. So let's just make one more table, I don't know. Well, we need only, like, let's make 10 rows, and yeah, just 2 columns. Okay, so we have JC and KC. So let's de-highlight those. Let's de-highlight those. Highlight that. And highlight this. Great. Okay. So we have 0, 0, 0x, and then 1, 0, x1, and 0, 1 is 1x, and 1, 0 is x1, 0, 1 is 1x, and then we have x, 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 x. Okay, so we have all those. Now what do we do? Oh, shut up, Peter. Shut up. So let's de-highlight those. De-highlight those. I'm gonna make these smaller. And actually, if possibly I could do this. Table. How do I add more table? Insert columns. 2 more columns. Yes! Awesome. There we go. Okay, great. Now we have everything in one spot. We could delete these. Boom! Headshot. We don't even need that anymore. We already did our JKs. So now we do our K-maps. Our long-beloved K-maps. Before I do that, let me go to Paint and show you how I do my K-maps. So we have this. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, straight lines. So we have here our A, B, C. Okay. So this is how I do this K-map. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if we have something like that, then we would have here it would be A prime, here it would be A, this is my C, and this is my B. Should be very simple. So if we have like 1, 1, x, x, if we grab that, that would be equal to C. Okay, so let's get back here. Let's make a huge table. We would need how many columns? We would need 8 and 4, 6. No, 5. There we go. Okay, so this would be my first K-map, second K-map. No, that's not gonna help. Never mind. I need more. How many did we do last time? We did 10. We need 16 and 5. There we go. Okay, so for the first one, JA, we have this. We have 1, 0. Let's just skip it. 0, 0. Jump over here. X, 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 X. And then the other one is X, X, X. I'm just looking at this now. X, X. So each one of these is different from the other, just so you're not confused. X, 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 and then 1, X, X, X. And we have 0, 0. I mean, it would be just 0, 0, but I just don't write them down just so I'm not confused later on. 0, X, X, 1, X, X, X. We have X, X, that's for KB, 0, 1, X, 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 X. JC. Why did I make so many? I didn't need 16. I don't know what I did. I just need... I needed 12. Oh well. Yeah, I need 12 because I have 6 of these. Well, I had a derp moment, so it's okay. So JC, we have 0, X, 1, X, 1, X, X, X. Whoa, X, X. Then we have X, 1, X, 1, X, 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 X. Okay. Disregard those. So for this, let's merge cells. Merge. 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 Okay, so this is JA is equal to, well, we would have to highlight these two. So that would be A plus B. Oh no, what am I doing? A would cancel since it's spanning over the rows. We C is missing and B is missing, so it's C A. C prime B prime. Yeah, C prime B prime. Since they're both missing. This one is everything. We would cover everything. So it's KA is equal to 1. This one is just A. JB is equal to A. This one, we would take these 4, which is equal to C. So KB is equal to C. And here we would have these 4 and these 4. So these would be just B. So JC is equal to B plus A. And this, and then KC would just equal to 1. And then now we have all of our JKs. It's really simple to just put in a circuit. We have a word generator using multisim. We have a word generator and a logic analyzer, and we had an AND gate for JA right here because C prime B prime are multiplied, and we also have an OR gate. An OR gate right here because A and B are plussed. So when it's 1, we just plugged it into VCC. This is also plugged into VCC. Clears and PRs are all plugged into VCC. Wouldn't play with them. The clocks are all plugged into the word generator right here, and it's hooked up like this: A, B, and C. Now that we have everything hooked up, let's just run it, see what happens. Whoop, whoop, oh. Oh, we just have to adjust this. Let's set this into a Dan counter of 8. Oh, in here, 8. There we go. And let's stop that. And then close this. Set that to both. And now let's run it. And indeed, we see the correct output. We have 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and then recess to 0, 0, 0. So this has been my pleasure to teach you this, and I hope you have learned a lot from it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.